Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again. I hope all of you are fine. We got Paul Chagienda, we got the mod young nip, we got the mod a culture, we got the mod day. On Kuril, we tin the bin, we got the dom chin, we got a lord back ben. Butong Manjang, Buban Pio Jodia. Please, if you are new here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, like our video, and let us learn Dinka language together. Yeah, lesson was large base. We have learned some words, and today we are going in deep. Change these English sentences into Dinka language. 1. I want to ants. I want to ants. I want to ants. In Dinka we say and a witch a jit caro and a witch a jit caro and a witch a jit caro and a witch a jit caro. I want two ants and a witch a jit caro and mean I. A witch mean one. A jit caro mean two ants. Yes. I want two ants in Dinka mean and a witch a jit caro and a witch a jit caro. The man has two ants. 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 Ran anong chin karo. Ran anong chin karo. Ran anong chin karo. Ran anong chin karo. The man ran has two ants. Has or have anong two ants mean chin karo. The man has two ants. Ran anong chin karo. This boy has two fans. 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 In Dinka we say dok anong galam karo. Dok anong galam karo. Dok anong galam karo. Dok anong galam karo. We get it in our last lesson. Dog is a singular form of boy and duck plural form of boys. Dog anong galam karo. Dog boy as anong two pants galam karo mean this boy has two pants mean dog anong galam karo. Dog anong galam karo. The sheep has six children. 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 We say in Dinka, bany anong mit ka detem. Bany anong mit ka detem. Bany anong mit ka detem. We say that ka detem or detem. Bany anong mit ka detem or detem. Bany anong mit ka detem. The sheep has six children. Bany anong mit ka detem. You can see it from here as we change it to anong, 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 anong. Anong mean to have something. The crocodile is in the river. 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 Mean nyang atau wir. Nyang atau wir. Nyang atau wir. Nyang atau wir. That is to say the crocodile is in the river. We get the river before it's called war. But if you say you cannot say nyang atau war, you have to say nyang atau wari or nyang atau wir. Yeah, like this wir is the good word to say nyang atau wir. Yes. I hope all of you have understand this one. My father is at home. 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 Mean wa ato by. Wa ato by. Wa ato by. Wa ato by. When someone asks you, where is your father? And then you can reply in Dinka language, you wurato no. Kajole wa ato by. Wa ato by. Wa ato by. That is, my father is at home. My father is at home is wa ato by. Wa ato by. Very simple, very easy, and it's good to know Dinka. By mean home, home, home or village. By mean home, but here we mean home. My father is at home. Wa ato by. Or you can say my father is in the village. Wa ato by. Ding has 5 children. Ding has 5 children. Ding has 5 children. Ding anong meet cottage. Ding anong meet cottage. Ding anong meet cottage. Ding anong meet cottage. This is plural. Ding has 5 children. Ding is the name of a person. Anong have. That is, we get it in the last lesson as verb to have. To have is anong meet cottage. Meet cottage means 5 children. 5 children meet Kadi. Ding has 5 children. Ding anong meet Kadi. Ding anong meet Kadi. You say it very quickly in Dinga. Ding anong meet Kadi. Ding anong meet Kadi. The girls are at home. 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 Nyir ato bai. Nyir ato bai. Nyir ato bai. Mean the girls are at home. Near Atobai. You can simply say girls are at home. No, there is no need to put there, but it's good to put there here when we write the sentences. The girls are at home near Atobai. Near Atobai. Girls mean near are at home. Atobai. Atobai. Home is by. The sheep has 20 cows. The sheep has 20 cows. The sheep has 20 cows. Here we want to know the number. We can say the sheep has cattle, or but it's not good. We have to say how many cows do sheep have. So we have to say the sheep has 20 cows. In Dinka, we say bany anong wing bot karo. Bany anong wing bot karo. Bany anong wing bot karo. We cannot say bany anong weng bot karo. It's not good, but you can say like that. People will understand it in Dinga. Bany anong weng karo, or the good one is to say bany anong weng bot karo. Bany anong weng bot karo. Bany anong weng bot karo. Bot karo mean 200 cows. 200 cows. The sheep has 200 cows, mean bany anong weng bot karo. The boys are not at home. 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 Dak aliu bai. Dak aliu bai. Dak aliu bai. Dak aliu bai. The boys, dak, we get it in our last lesson. Boys, dak is boys. The plural form in Dinka is called dak, and singular form is called dog. And now, not at home is a verb not to be present or absent. This is aliu. The boys are not at home. That means dak aliu bai. 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 You have to say it quickly, but it's not a problem. You can say dak aliu bai. Dak aliu bai. The boys are not at home, or near alibi. Girls are not at home. Yeah, very simple like that. The girls have clothes. The girls have clothes. The girls have clothes. Girls have clothes. Nyir anong alet. Nyir anong alet. Nyir anong alet. Nyir anong alet. 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 Alet is a plural form of clothes. Of clothes. These are clothes mean alet. Now, if we are talking of one cloth, we mean a lot, not a let. Or we say nya. The girl has one cloth. Nya anong alantok. Alantok. It's not here, but just to give you example. The girls have clothes. Here anong alet. I have a knife. I have a knife. I have a knife. And anong pal. And anong pal. And anong pal. I have a knife. The verb to have is anong pal. Pal mean knife. Pal. Pal mean knife. We have knives. We have knives. We have knives. We have knives. Og anong pal. Og anong pal. Og anong pal. Og anong pal. Og anong pal is to say we have knives. Og anong pal. I have knife. And anong pal. Yes. All these words we have learned them. So it's just to give you how to write them in a conversation or in a long sentences or short sentences or phrases. We have knives. Oganong pal. We get it before oak. We is a plural form of oak. Cow and dog are drinking water. Cow and dog are drinking water. Cow and dog are drinking water. Wing kujong adek piu. Wing kujong adek piu. Wing kujong adek piu. Adek piu. Yeah. Cow mean wing and ku. Ku. We have learned this preposition ku and dog. Jong are is we can say it are drinking water. Dek pew. Dek pew. Dek mean drinking. Pew water. Water. Cow and dog are drinking water. When kujong are dek pew. Owl is a magician bird. Owl is a magician bird. Owl is a magician bird. You can say it in Dinka, Gumut, Eden Apit. You see, a Gumut, Eden Apit. A Gumut, Eden Apit. Magician, Apit, Apit, Apit. When we put I here is apat, 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 but if we put this one, Apit, A, Pa, E, Ta, E, this A, Ta, Apit. Apit mean magician. Owl is a magician bird. Agumut Eden Apit. Bird mean did but is like is did yeah did supposed to be but this is good like this. Owl is a magician bird. Agumut Eden Apit. Binyalig weg Deutsche bin kasha. Binyalig weg Deutsche bin kasha. May God bless you all my people. Ajak deng dit. Coi phim của coi về lesson cái lỗi về ga chale của ga ya chol buku tong monjang bu pyo over there. Please, if you are new here and you are interested to learn new language, Dinka language, South Sudan, which is one of the local language in South Sudan, please subscribe, share, like our video. Because if you like our video, YouTube is going to recommend it to many viewers so that they can benefit from this video also. In village, if you are going to share it or like our video, subscribe to. Kene inakar lesson da ko bini alig weg Dodge. Bye.